Nice. And fuego. Good job, Carl. Hang on to him. Hang on to him. Come on, John. Hang on, Colin. Hang on.
Yeah. Come on.
Hang on. Good, John. Good, Colin. Hang on, buddy.
Come on.
Try and put your leg between his elbows. Good.
Good job, John.
Oh, good shot.
Good, Colin. Back at it.
Look to me, Sean, when you do it. Do it again. Yeah. Nice. Good. Try to change it.
Everybody.
Ooh. That's tough.
What have you said about your position on the mat?
Good job, guys.